Hi, my name is Caitlin Padilla, and upon doing research about social organizations, I found that the one that spoke to me the most out of the ones I researched was an organization called Justice for Girls. It's a program based in Canada, so not in the United States yet, but they hope to soon be. They were formed in 1999 and are a nonprofit organization. They target mostly teenage girls, normally those that struggle with homelessness, violence, or even poverty, and hope to help them become better leaders or just to help them better move forward in their lives in order to become more successful. Um, from the white mission statement from the website itself, it says Justice for Girls promotes social justice and an end to violence, poverty, and racism in the lives of teenage girls. So basically, it's a summarization of what they stand for is that they want girls, women, everyone to be treated equally and be given the same standard of life that everyone deserves. They provide a few different things through their main center based in Vancouver. The organization itself provides many programs for the girls that have gone there seeking help. One of their big ones is that they provide an education system for those that have dropped out due to their current situation where they need to work, or even if they are taken out of school because of, say, a teen pregnancy. So they provide classes and workshops there, and even paid internships for those who have dropped out within their senior year. So what this is that they'll take you in for a 5-month period, and for your senior credits you need about 12. It will give you these credits by having you help out with the organization and do things that would be equal to almost a job. The internship program is very good for those seeking to go further in their careers, or even just simply have a better chance at a job when being at an interview or when being asked what your skills are. So what it helps you do is they have you go into research and analysis in order to help with their program, which everything in this internship eventually leads back to Justice for Girls as they're helping them develop. They also increase public awareness of all the issues that they're going through, so they help promote all the social justice issues that this group and organization stands for. And they also help to engage the community, moderate court cases, and they also just help out at the center and help teach girls and educate them themselves everything that they've learned from their experience of being there. One of the major things this program has done is that they are involved in a lot of social justice cases. So they are often in court giving advice to girls or helping girls out in order to win their cases or just have a better opportunity at those. One of the cases they were involved in is called R.V. Tremblay. It's a court case where a man was accused of 18 counts of rapes, but only confessed to 5 and was only accused of those 5 and given only 3.5 years in prison. Girls for Justice for Girls basically said they didn't agree with this at all and wanted something more. Justice for Girls says that they thought that this was a great discrimination against the girls because the girls themselves were prostitutes because of where they were in their lives, and that they weren't getting the proper justice served to them that they deserved. So they fought with them, and even though they were not able to do something better for this particular case, upon giving this to the judge to view, there has been a reinforcement of one of the laws which helps them against this discrimination. Justice for Girls actually has 6 ideals that they want to protect girls from, which is freedom from justice, indigenous rights, environmental rights, a right to education, girls' economic rights, and civil and political rights. The ones I want to target the most is freedom from violence and a right to education, because these are some of the things that girls are taken away from girls the most often because they are seen that they are the housewives and need to stay home and provide for the family and don't deserve that type of education. Even though it seems that we've grown as a society, we aren't given these particular rights anymore, and people don't realize that they're extremely lucky to have these and that every person deserves to have this right that can so easily be taken away. Something Justice for Girls has been doing for a while and hope to successfully get through is that they have been submitting a paper to the government of British Columbia, where they are just trying to advocate in order to get more support for not only what they stand for, but for everyone else in their organizations. So what they're trying to promote is that they're trying to get more housing for these homeless girls because they only have one center that I can find where they are able to house girls, and one center isn't going to be a house enough girls that are in the entire country. They're only located in one state in Canada. They also want more centers that go towards violence against women and just better regulations, something better for the poverty that a lot of people are facing in Canada, which is one of their main things that they want to prevent, because a lot of women are in these situations because they're not able to afford what they need for their own general care to take care of themselves and their families. They also are concerned with equal pay, which is an issue that we've all been brought aware of because of events even in Hollywood, where actresses have come out saying that they've found out that they have been getting significantly less pay for doing equal or even more work in the workplace.